What's going on, guys, and welcome to Tech Bud Trading Trivia. In this room, we have our first contestant.
What's up, guys? I'm Devin, president of E&O Frat House here in Gilbert. Pleasure to meet everybody.
My name is Alicia, and right now I do foreign exchange, and I want to learn more about how to invest in the stock market.
Boom, boom, boom. What's going on, guys? So with Tech Bud Trading Trivia, we're gonna put these two head to head with a series of 5 questions, and the grand prize winner is going to win a grand prize. So let's go ahead and get a better understanding of what the 5 questions are, and let's see who ends up winning. So we're either gonna do a course giveaway, we're either going to do some Tech Bud apparel, or we're going to do some cane. That would be a grand prize. So I hope that you guys are all excited. I hope that you guys have fun, and be sure to click that like button. Let's go ahead and get this started. Boom. All right, guys, let's go ahead and get started and see who has a better understanding on how to become a successful trader. So with the first question, let's go ahead and start this head to head. Is it smart to buy a stock before or after the bounce of a support?
After.
Final answer?
Dang, I'm gonna go before.
Okay.
I'm gonna go before.
So comment down below what you guys think. Is it smart to buy before the stock bounces at the support or after the stock bounces at the support? Answer is, based on my experience, the answer is going to be after. And the reason why is because when it comes down to identifying a support level, you want to make sure that you can validate that support, and therefore crediting, whatever the technical analysis is that you determine, you want to make sure that that support is valid. And waiting after the bounce, you at least get the confirmation that your technical analysis was done correct, and you're at least investing in something that's trending up, right? Because now it bounced and it's not actively trending down still. So we got 1 point.
It ain't over yet.
Alright, so right now we have 1 point and 0. Second question, team. What is the ideal reward to risk ratio when investing in a stock? So what that means is, how much percentage of profit should you be able to risk for a percentage of loss? I'm going to give you guys 3 options. Is it a 3-to-1 ratio, a 5-to-1 ratio, or a 7-to-4 ratio?
5-to-1.
5-to-1?
7-to-4.
7-to-4? So you're saying for every 7% potential for profit, you're willing to risk 4%. And you're saying that you're willing to risk?
I'm willing to risk 1% for every 5%.
So there is no right or wrong answer on this one, and the reason why is because some investors might be a little bit more risky than others. So we have Devin, that's a little bit more of a conservative investor that goes according kind of to my risk/reward ratio. And that's why we always ask you guys to make sure that you determine how much it is that you're willing to risk for the potential for profit that that stock has to offer. So you guys each get a point.
Yeah.
You're still losing. Alright, so question number 3. What 3 rules do we suggest within our group to always follow before investing in the stock market?
Ooh.
Let's see who's a true Tech Bud trader.
I need to catch up, so I'll go ahead and take this one, sir. The first rule is to make sure you have a plan.
Yes?
Okay, so you want to have an entry and exit point. The second rule is never invest in something you don't know.
2.
Number 3 is
The number 1 rule that we have within our group.
I've got it. 3.
Number 1 rule when it comes down to investing in general, that you should never invest
more than you are not willing to lose.
That's a good one, but no, it's not that.
Dang, I feel like I got this. So, like on the very
You think
tip.
you have it?
Maybe
I'm gonna phone a friend.
always have a certain number of confirmations before you get into a trade.
That's a good one as well, but no, that's not one of our rules.
Well,
You should never invest based on
Somebody else's opinion.
boom, boom, boom. There we go. The 3 rules. Never invest based on other people's opinion. Always invest in what you understand, and always have a form of risk management. Entry, exit, and stop loss. The reason that we suggest those rules is we want to make sure that you have a general understanding of what it is that you're investing in. And I am pretty much kneeling down because I want to be in the frame. So, all right, the 4th question. You guys ready?
Yeah.
I'm gonna give that point to Devin because he didn't get that one.
Okay.
So we are at a tie right now, 2 and 2. We have 2 questions left. When swing trading, what is key after finding a pattern for support and resistance? So when swing trading, so after a number of days, right? And you've determined a support and resistance level, so you've identified a pattern. What is the next step in being able to properly execute on that swing trade? So if you've identified, you know, a support and resistance.
Entry and exit, right? Identified an entry point and exit point, or no?
Yeah, you've identified a support and resistance. So usually where it trades in between. What is the next step? So if you see value in that and you see that it's at support and resistance, before buying in, what is it? It goes back to question number 1. What is it that you want to wait for before you invest in it?
A pullback?
Bounce.
Buy low.
Bounce.
Bounce. Same concept, different word.
That's what she meant to say.
All right, so we're gonna give them both a point. So 3 and 3.
Yeah, we're tight. I'm serious.
All right, last and final question. This has to be the deal breaker, and this is gonna be to the first person that answers it. This is one of the most important questions for this whole TechBud trading trivia. Question number 5. What is Ricky's favorite restaurant?
Canes.
All right.
We have a winner. All right, guys, and just like that, we have our first TechBud trading trivia winner.
Yay!
All right, so what do you win? All right, guys, so she has 3 options for her grand prize. We have the TechBud apparel, so you gotta choose a TechBud tee. The second prize is access to the Learn, Plan, Profit lesson library, which is where you learn everything that you need to know about the stock market. Or the third one is a launch in the Alpha 7 GTR. Or take behind what's curtain number 1.
I'm gonna have to go behind the curtain.
All right, so she's gonna risk it all, just like her 7-to-4 ratio.
I like to live life on the edge.
Definitely.
Here.
All right, so let's go ahead and see what's behind curtain number 1. So behind curtain number 1, let's see what your grand prize is. Is it a trip to Canes? Is it a trip to the Bahamas? Or is it all of the above? All right, and just like that, so we have our grand winner for the first ever TechBud's Trading Trivia. We get access to the Learn, Plan, Profit lesson library, so you can learn how to invest in the stock market. You are going to also get a TechBud's t-shirt, and then we are going to go for a GTR launch.
To Canes.
To Canes. Of course, where else would we be going? So, Thank you guys again so much for watching. All right, and if they want to follow you, what's your Instagram handle?
My Instagram handle is Alicia Lee Bush 4 on the screen. Right?
And, yeah, so it's gonna be right here. And also, you guys can click one of the links down below so you guys can go ahead and follow Alicia. The second link is if you guys really want to, you guys can follow Devin as well. Thank you guys again so much for watching. If you guys have any questions or want to reach out to me, feel free to comment down below. If you guys want to personally reach out to me, please feel free to join our free networking platform. If you like to surround yourself with like-minded individuals, we offer one of the largest and most accessible networking platforms out there. It's gonna be the link down below where it says free group. Over 75,000 people are within our community, and we'd love to be a part of your success and work with you on a daily basis. So the first link is gonna be so you can learn a little bit more about the stock market, and that's our Learn, Plan, Profit lesson library. So I would encourage you to dedicate at least 1 minute of your life to scroll through that page and see what it is that we have to offer. So any last words that you want to say?
Thanks guys for watching. I'm going to be going into the GTR to Canes now.
Right? And
I'm sorry, I shouldn't cuss at this, huh?
you're good.
Oh my gosh. That was crazy. Okay, here we go. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh, that was like a roller coaster. My ears just popped. Oh, wow.
Jesus Christ.
Wow. Wow. What is that called?
The GTR launch.
GTR launch?
Not the first one.
My gosh. Oh my gosh.
You like it?
Oh, so cool. I love it. You really it's hard to breathe. You're like,
You think so?
kind of, a little bit. bit. Your chest feels like, oh, whoa.
Alright guys, and there you have it. Thank you again so much for watching. All the links are down below if you guys want to stay connected. What do you think? You liked it? Approved?
That was amazing. Yeah. Wow.
Alright guys, thank you guys again. Like always, let's make sure that we end the year on a great note. Take it easy, team.
I'm at my prime. Yeah. I'm at my prime. Whoa. Have I gone too far? Do you detect something different? If you look at